Greetings of the day. In today's video of business finance, we will start with another numerical. The question says that the normal usage of a particular material is of 60 units per day, whereas minimum usage during the month of 4 week is of 750 units, whereas maximum usage during the month of 4 week was given of 2000 units. Reorder level for the particular question is given of 1500 units, whereas emergency supply time is of 5 days and average lead time is of 2 weeks, which is equivalent to 12 days. Now the question says that we have to calculate reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average level and danger level in the particular question. First of all, we have to mark the words which is used in the question, that minimum and maximum level usage during the month of 4 week. It means that we have been given the information for month, and a month consists of 4 week, which we can derive from the question. It means that this is not a weekly consumption, it is a monthly consumption, and a month comprises of 4 weeks. That is what the question says, and we have to keep this thing in mind while solving the question, because we else thing are given in week pattern, whereas what we can say, normal usage per is given on the per day basis. Hence, while making calculation, we have to keep thing in that mind in that while making the use of minimum usage and maximum usage term, we have to divide the term by 4 so that we can get our weekly calculation. Second thing, in the question is given that we have been provided with the average lead time of 12 weeks, whereas there is no mentioning of what we can say maximum lead time and minimum lead time, or else we can even though says that there is no mentioning of normal lead time. Hence we have to assume here the lead time. For that purpose, we will first of all write the formula of average lead time. What we used to say, minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. This was the formula which is generally used by us, but here we don't have been provided with minimum and maximum lead time, whereas average lead time is given. Hence we can simplify it as 2 equals to minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. Therefore minimum plus maximum lead time is equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Hence the summation of both the things would be 4. Therefore we can definitely say that minimum lead time would be of 2 weeks, whereas maximum lead time would again be of 2 weeks, and when we put this value in the formula, we would put the values in the formula like minimum plus maximum divided by 2. We would try to check the answer what we have wrote. 2 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Hence it is clearly the proper assumption that the minimum lead time would be of 2 weeks, whereas the maximum lead time would also be of 2 weeks. This is what is the relation with the question. Now we will move towards the solving the things which is need to be calculated, which is been asked in the question. Very first thing we need to calculate is reorder level. The formula for calculation of reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum lead time. Here maximum consumption is given as 2000 units multiplied by maximum lead time we have assumed of 2 weeks, but again there is a catch that the maximum lead time is given for a month, and a month comprises of 4 weeks. Hence we would divide it by 4, as it is been monthly, we have converted it in the weekly pattern by simplifying the what we can say, the numerical. We get our answer as 1000 units as an reorder level for the particular thing. Secondly, we have to calculate minimum level. For the purpose of calculation of minimum level, the formula is reorder level minus in bracket normal usage multiplied by average lead time or normal lead time. Here reorder level we have calculated is of 1000 units minus normal usage we have been given 60 units per day. Here again there is a difference in the unit, as the normal lead consumption is given in the days pattern, whereas average lead time is again in week pattern. But again we have been also provided that 2 weeks is equivalent to 12 days, hence we can take average lead time as 12 days as it is been clearly given in the question. So we would simplify the same. 1000 minus 12 into 60, 720, and again we would simplify it and we would get our answer as 280 units is our minimum level of stock. 280 units would be our minimum level of stock. Now moving to the maximum level of stock, the formula for calculation of maximum level of stock is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Reorder level we have calculated is of 1000 units plus reorder quantity is given in the question of 1500 units minus minimum usage is given in the question of 750 units multiplied by minimum lead time we have assumed is of 2 weeks. Again the minimum usage during the month is given for 750 units. As we are taking it monthly, but we have to make the calculation on the basis of weekly pattern, we would divide it by 4, as it is been said that 1 month comprises of 4 weeks. Hence we would simplify it and we would get 2500 minus 750 multiplied by 2, that is what we can say 1500 divided by 4. By simplifying it we get our answer as 375 is equals to 2500 minus 375 is 2125 units. 2125 units. This is our maximum level. On the third level we have to, on the fourth part we have to calculate average level of stock. The formula says for average level of stock is minimum level of stock plus maximum level of stock divided by 2. The minimum level of stock we have calculated is of 280 units plus maximum level 2125 units divided by 2. We would simplify it. That is 2405 divided by 2. Again we have to simplify it. We would get our answer as 1202.50 units. As units cannot be in count, we can convert it into the lower or upper side. I would convert it in upper side as it is on 0.5. So we would get our answer of average level as over 1203 units. Now lastly, the new thing in this particular question which we have to calculate is the danger level. Danger level is the level when the stock is there almost near about to end in the factory premises. At that particular time we have to calculate how much would be our danger level of stock. The formula is normal usage per day multiplied by emergency supply or emergency lead time. Normal usage per day we have been given of 60 units multiplied by emergency supply time is of 5 days. So we would do 60 multiplied by 5. It would be of 300 units. It would be of 300 units. In this particular question we have to calculate 5 things: reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average level and danger level. From all these 5, first 4 we have calculated one or other time, but when we speak of danger level, it is the first problem related to danger level. Formula is quite simple: normal usage multiplied by emergency supply time. In this particular question, normal usage was of 60 units per day, whereas emergency supply was given of 5 days. So we have multiplied 60 into 5, we get our emergency supply of 300 units. Second thing which we need to calculate, which we need to mark a point in this particular question is a pattern of giving the question, that is what is regarding to the minimum and maximum usage. It is given in the monthly pattern with written in it as 4 weeks. It means that a month comprises of 4 weeks and the monthly consumption of minimum and maximum of that particular unit is of 750 and 2000. Hence what we have done, while using the term of minimum layer and maximum consumption, we have divided for 4. For example, on reorder level, maximum consumption into maximum lead time. Maximum consumption was of 2000. Maximum lead time we have calculated of 2 weeks. But as the details of consumption was given on the monthly pattern, we have divided it by 4. And similarly, we have done while calculation of the maximum level of stock, we have done the same thing. We have used the details of minimum consumption of 750 multiplied by 2, that was the minimum lead time, divided by 4. 4 was the monthly period which we have taken. Again, there was another catch regarding to the lead time. Here average lead time was given, whereas there was no band of average lead time. They have perfectly given the average lead time of 2 weeks. Hence we have put the values in the formula and we have calculated it on the reverse pattern. Now we will start with the second question. The question says that a company has an annual consumption of 1,20,000 kgs of a particular material, while its minimum usage during the month of 4 weeks is given of 8,000 kgs, while maximum usage for the month of 4 weeks is of 10,000 kg. Whereas its reorder level is 10,000 kg, minimum lead time 1 week, maximum lead time 3 weeks, whereas average lead time, which is already been provided in the question or given data, is of 2 weeks. We are required to calculate reorder level of stock, minimum level of stock, maximum level of stock, average level of stock, and material turnover ratio. The question has one missing information, that is normal consumption or average consumption. As it is not been provided, we are required to calculate it by ourselves. So we would write it as normal consumption, or we can use the word usage, equals to average usage is equals to, we have seen the formula when we are starting with the ROQ. The formula says that minimum usage plus maximum usage divided by 2. The minimum usage is given for 8,000 units plus 10,000 kg divided by 2, that is 18,000 kg divided by 2. Therefore, the normal consumption is of 9,000 kgs. 9,000 kgs. That is what is our, what we can say, normal consumption. As we are having all the information, now we could move to calculate the average, reorder level of stock. The formula for calculation of reorder level of stock is maximum consumption into maximum lead time. The maximum consumption or maximum usage is given of 10,000 units. 10,000 units multiplied by maximum lead time. Maximum lead time is given of 3 weeks. But again in this question also, the consumption is given for the monthly pattern, and a month comprises of 4 weeks is being said in the question. That is why we would divide it by 4, so that we can get our weekly information as the unit is going in the question. That is why 10,000 into 3 divided by 4. So our answer is 7,500 units. 7,500 units. Second thing is minimum level of stock. The formula for calculation of minimum level of stock is reorder level minus normal usage into average lead time. Here reorder level is of 7,500 units minus normal usage, we have calculated the normal consumption. It is of 9000 kg multiplied by average lead time. It is already been given in the question. Average lead time is of 2 weeks, but again we have been given the normal usage. We have calculated it again for the month. This normal usage what we have calculated is for the month of 4 weeks, as the values which we have put in the formula were on monthly basis. That is why again we have made the calculation for monthly basis for the purpose of normal usage. Hence we have to again divide it by 4 so that we can get our weekly information, as all other units are given on the weekly basis. So 7500 minus 4500, we would get our answer as 3000 kg as our minimum level of stock. Now we will move to the maximum level of stock. The formula says that reorder level plus reorder quantity minus in bracket minimum usage into minimum lead time. Reorder level we have calculated is of 7500 kg plus reorder quantity was of 10,000 minus minimum usage on the monthly pattern is given of 8000 kg multiplied by minimum lead time is of 1 week. Again, as monthly information is given and we are making calculations on the basis of week, hence we would divide it by 4, that is 17,500 minus 2000 divided by 4 is equals to 15,500 kg is our maximum level of stock. Now we have to calculate average level of stock. Average level of stock has formula of minimum level of stock plus maximum level of stock divided by 2. Minimum level of stock is of 3000 kgs plus maximum level of stock is of 15,500 kgs divided by 2. We would simplify it. 18,500 divided by 2, that is 9,250 kgs is our average level of stock. Now lastly we have to calculate material turnover ratio. This is the new formula for all of us. The formula for material turnover ratio is annual consumption divided by average level of stock. The question has already been given annual consumption of 1,20,000 units, but suppose that if this annual consumption is not given in the question and we are asked to calculate material turnover ratio, so how we are going to know the annual consumption? Clearly we can determine it as we have given the information. So we would first of all write it as 1,20,000, and secondly we can use the thing that as what we can say, our maximum consumption is of 10,000 units monthly or 10,000 kgs monthly. We would multiply it by number of months, that is 12, and we get our answer as 1,20,000. We will put the value 1,20,000, that is our annual consumption, divided by average level of stock. We have calculated 9,250 kg. 1,20,000 divided by 9,250 kg, we would get our answer as 12.97 times is our material turnover ratio. Again in this question there were three things which has the catch. First thing was the information is again given on the monthly basis and a month comprises of 4 weeks. Second thing was we have to calculate our average usage or average consumption. Formula was already known to us, minimum usage plus maximum usage divided by 2. And third thing was our material turnover ratio was the new thing. The formula for it was annual consumption divided by average level of stock. Annual consumption was 1,20,000. Average level of stock we have calculated 9,250 kgs, and the unit for calculation of material turnover ratio would be times. The link for the question and answer is given in the link in the video. Thank you.